Make a great choice today with the 2021 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.